Our next two seams that we're going to sew are called welt, looks like this, and the other one is flatfelled. All right, they both start out very similar, and then they're a little different in the end. So I'm going to sew regular seam, 4 pins, 5/8, back stitching at both ends. Press them open. Now for each of them, I'm going to cut off about half of one of the seams. I'm just cutting through the seam allowance. You don't want to cut over here anywhere. All right, so this one's going to be my welt. So I have this one halfway cut off. I'm going to press this over. If your fabric isn't staying, you can pin it. Otherwise, if you press well, it should just stay over. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one a while as well. So up to this step, everything is the same. So I'm going to go ahead and do my welt. All right, I'm going to top stitch along the top right at 1/4 inch. I'm going to back stitch 4. I'm going to sew the whole way down. Back stitch 4 at the end. Clip your threads, it's done. If you cut it right, you shouldn't really be able to see any fabric right there. That's what you want. Now flat-felled is very similar. We're going to press this over, and then we're going to tuck this edge around the other edge. And same thing, if your fabric will stay, you can just iron it. If it's not cooperating, you can always put some pins in. Okay, so it's kind of like I'm top stitching on this side. Back stitch both ends. So on one side you should be able to see 2 stitches, and on the other side just that top stitch at 1/4 inch. Clip your threads, put it in your book.